Okay, we're in the swamps right now. Finally, found some sign. He's in that tree. He just flew down. It's turkey time, baby.
There's tornadoes on the ground. Don't matter. Mississippi, here we come.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Including tornadoes. This gang of supercells that's forming right here is moving towards the greater Jackson area right now.
Warnings, and we are expecting dozens upon dozens of tornadoes to happen today across the southeast.
We have officially made it to Mississippi, and we're checking out our first piece of public here. We got a lot of ground to cover, just looking to locate a bird. See what we find back here. We've been walking around for a little bit now. I've not seen or heard anything but some wood ducks.
And a four-wheeler.
And a four-wheeler. We might have just found our first turkey track. Finally, found some sign. We just walked really far, covered some ground, found a few turkey tracks way back in here. We just set up on the edge of this field. Listen for some gobbles right here at sunset. Hopefully we can find some roosting up close to here. Well, we did not hear or see anything today. Only saw some tracks, but that's okay. We got a few more days to grind it out, so see if we can locate a bird tomorrow. That's the main goal. Yeah. No, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, we just got really close to a gobbler. He's still gobbling. Yeah, he's right there. Trying to give him a little call. Day 2 in Mississippi. This morning, we located some birds.
Yep, we got close.
We got really close.
We were within 150, 200 yards.
Yeah.
And he was in a big block of timber, so we set up on kind of a point on the field closest, thinking that he was going to come down the strut, but he said no.
He flew down, gobbled maybe 2 or 3 times, and each one was kind of farther and farther away. So we think he flew down and just kind of went away from us. He did not want anything to do with our call.
No.
It was pretty cool to at least locate a bird, so we can come back here this afternoon, try to get him coming back to roost, or maybe in the morning again. Let's go drive around, see if we can't find some in these fields. We're just rolling through, looking at these public fields, trying to find something. Well, we found our first group of turkeys right here. It's just on private land. That's good that they're in the fields right now, though. That's good.
Just gotta find them in a public field now. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 6 jakes. Oh my goodness,
There's so many of them, dude.
there were a bunch of turkeys in this field. In the back group is the bigger birds.
I can't get a good focus on them. You would stop for a second on the sea marker.
No toms, all jakes, like 20 of them. They're still in the field somehow. It's late, it's like 11:45 right now. We're still looking around. These are good looking fields down here though. If there's that many birds down here, you would think there would be like a tom down here with them.
A couple of them.
You would
With the
think.
hens.
With the hens, yeah. Crazy. What the heck? I can't believe we haven't heard anything yet. That was cool though. Well, we just saw our first gobbler of the trip. It was on private land, but close to a bunch of public. So you're getting loaded up.
So, it's a chilly one, dude.
A little chilly this morning.
Let's get on a turkey, dude.
Let's do it. Did you hear that? my gosh. Case. Oh my God. Case. Oh, no. No, it's a longbeard. Oh my gosh. Case. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We saw him fly out of the tree, dude. Oh my God. I was praying you took that shot. I was praying. They were gone, dude. They were on the way out.
They were gone.
Dude, I think they heard that call and came right to it.
They did.
And they peeked over.
See them and
Dude, I was looking to the right.
It was full strut.
Dude, Case.
In the opening right here, the first one. And you hit that call, and they stopped.
I didn't see him. You're like, oh.
See him.
I didn't see him.
See him.
Come here. Come on, baby. Come on.
Dude, this has been
Look at that bird.
hardest we've worked.
Oh, death flop. Oh, death flop. Come on, buddy. Case. I couldn't tell. I didn't know what they were.
You got that first? He's a full beard.
Oh yeah. No, that's a mature Tom.
I'm legitimately. I'm at a complete loss for words right now. I'm at a complete loss for words.
That was incredible. They came right to us. That was incredible.
That is a Mississippi swamp bird right here. That's all that is right there.
I mean, we're in the swamps right now.
I mean, we walked in here and we got it done.
I'm glad you shot when you did.
And there's one goblin behind us too. Let's get out of here.
Sir.
Well, this has been a insane morning. I don't think that you could have asked for a better turkey hunt than the one we had. I couldn't be happier. It's been a grind. I mean, we've walked miles and miles and miles every day.
We've covered probably 20 miles of public ground on foot this week. And then
Not
who
this
knows
week.
how many.
3 days.
Yeah, 3 days. Who knows how many we've covered in the truck.
Mm-hmm.
You just got to go.
Mm-hmm.
You got to go to know, and can't kill them from the couch.
Can't kill it from the couch.
So sick. That was
This
the prettiest morning ever.
Was a day.
So pretty. Wow. I mean, I could literally just chill here.
I know.
Watch the sunrise. That was so sweet, dude. Put it here. Let's go. Alright, well, we're going to get back and clean this bird. Take him on home to Arkansas.
Yes, sir.
And we got Arkansas turkey season coming up. So maybe this won't be the last bird we're seeing this season. But regardless, this was an amazing trip down here to Mississippi. First time ever doing it. And we got it done. But super cool, super fun experience.
Mm-hmm. Not gonna forget it anytime soon.
Yeah. All right, well, let's go get a celebratory breakfast.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yes, sir.